What's up, you guys? It's Vincanity, and welcome to another episode of Study Break, where you get to take a break from your busy life and break. All right, today we're gonna be working on CCs as a pattern. On a previous video, we trained simply just doing CCs, but today we're gonna be training doing CCs in a pattern going left to right. So without further ado, let's get started. All right, you guys, so for this one, our base is important. We wanna be in a squatting position, and we want to be able to put one foot out at a time, right? Just like this, right? If you guys are familiar with the squat kick or the Russian kick, switching back and forth, this will be very helpful. But if you can't, don't worry about it, okay? We're gonna put one foot out, reaching to this side, and putting our foot up in the air, we go 1, CC, down, switch. So 3 easy steps. Again, CC, down, switch. To the other side, we go CC, down, switch. Again, we go CC, down, switch. Other side, CC, down, switch. Other side, CC, down, switch. Continuing, we go 7, switch, and 8, down, switch. Last one, 9, down, switch, and 10, down, switch. Very good. Give yourself a rest. Sometimes these take a toll on your hands and your legs, so rest in between. Make sure that you're ready to practice with good form. Let's go ahead and do this again, continuing at our slow speed, right? And really just kind of being aware of our form. Go again. It's our second 10. Ready? And it goes here. 1, down, switch, and 2, down, switch. Try to look forward. We go 3, down, switch, and 4, down, switch, 5, down, switch, 6, down, switch, 7, down, switch, 8, down, switch, staying on your toes, 9, down, switch, and 10, down, switch. All right, same thing, give yourself a rest. We don't want to wear ourselves out too much, okay? Especially your hands, when we're going slow, put a lot of pressure on them and on your legs. So while we're going slow, again, please be careful. You don't want to hurt yourself, you don't want to strain yourself too much. Next, let's really think about our form of our hands, our body position, and our legs, okay? This time, we're gonna go 1 all the way to 20, okay? So starting again, our legs, we're in a squatting position. You can see I'm resting here, my leg is out, okay? Hand goes down, still going at a somewhat slow speed, okay? Here we go, reaching over, we go 1, down, switch. Again, 2, down, switch. Think of your hands. 3, down, switch. 4, down, switch. Switch it up. 5, down, switch. 6, down, switch. 7, down, switch. 8, down, switch. Switch it up. 9, down, switch. 10, down, switch. 11, down, switch. 12, down, switch. Switch it up. 13, down, switch. 14, down, switch. 15, down, switch. 16, down, switch. Switch it up. 15, down, switch. 16, down, switch. 17, down, switch. 18, down, switch. 19, down, switch. 20, down, switch. Nice job, you guys. Again, take a rest, sit down, let your knees rest, let your hands rest. Again, when we're going at that slower speed, it does put a lot more pressure on your joints. So from my experience when I'm teaching, doing this, you know, literally for like 6 to 8 hours, my knees start hurting. So take your time, take a rest. Don't put too much stress on your body. Same with your fingers. You're gonna get a little bit of pain from just holding like this slowly, okay? So now we have completed 40 cc's. We are now gonna increase our speed. Now that we start to understand this, we're gonna go one notch up, okay? So I want you guys to try to stay with me as closely as possible. And if you start to, you know, fall behind, then again, just continue all the way to 20. Okay, here we go. Lifting back up. Ready, leg goes out. Reaching to the side, ready? And we go 1, 2, down, switch. 3, down, switch. 4, down, switch. 5, down, switch. 6, down, switch. 7, down, switch. 8, down, switch. 9, down, switch. 10, down, switch. 11, down, switch. 12, down, switch. 13, down, switch. 14, down, switch. 15, down, switch. 16, down, switch. 17, down, switch. 18, down, switch. 19, down, switch. 20, down, switch. Nice job, you guys. So go ahead and rest. We're now at 60 cc's. Again, feel free as you go, play with your hands, positions, and form. We are now slowly building up our speed and being able to stay in that rhythm. Okay, so what we want to work on right now, this time, let's try to increase the speed of our cc down switch. We can take our time moving our hands to the other side, but let's really make that cc down switch. Okay, so let's try it. Ready? Lifting up, and here it goes. cc down switch, 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 cc down switch. Let me go. 12 down switch, 13 down switch, 14 down switch, 15 down switch, 16 down switch, 17 down switch, 18 down switch, 19 switch, 20. As you can tell, I lost count, but it's okay. We're now at 80. We have 20 left. Now, rest your legs again. Rest your hands. This last one, we've gone slow, medium. This last one, you're gonna go your fastest that you can do with good form. Again, we don't wanna practice with bad form ever, right? Practice with bad form, you dance with bad form. So always, again, whatever it is, keep it at a nice form, okay? This time, as fast as you can with good form, all right? Here we go, lifting back up. Shake out your fingers, and ready, here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. And there we have it, 100 cc's in a pattern. Again, give your fingers some time to rest. And again, thank you guys for joining me on Study Break, giving you an opportunity to take a break from whatever you're doing throughout the day to break, right? Hope you guys enjoy this video. And if you guys want to see more videos like this, make sure you guys press like, subscribe, and leave me a comment about what you guys want to train on next. All right? If you guys want to train with me more closely, make sure you guys hop into my Patreon training group listed below. And I'll talk to you guys soon. Peace.